This application requires 3 full strips. While sitting, rest your heel on a flat surface and flex your ankle in an upward direction. Prepare a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Apply your anchor with no stretch on the outside of your heel. While holding the anchor in place, apply an even, moderate stretch, guiding the strip underneath the heel and curving the strip up along the inside of your heel and ankle. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch above your inner ankle bone. For your second strip, repeat the technique from the first strip on the opposite side, starting the strip on the inside ankle bone. Take your third strip and apply your anchor with no stretch on the outside of the foot and heel. Direct the strip back and upward on an approximate 45-degree angle. With your ankle in an upward position, apply an even, moderate stretch to the strip, wrapping around the back of the heel to the inner side, then curve under the heel to arrive back on the outside of the heel. At this point, apply a moderate to heavy stretch to the strip. Leave a 2-inch anchor with no stretch above your outer ankle bone and behind your previous strip to adhere to your skin for optimal adhesion. Gently rub the entire application for better adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.